Oh, you just don't want me to talk to you. Okay. Now I really want to talk to them so bad. Did someone drag you here against your will and put you on the front row for me to talk to? I promise I'm not going to make fun of you. I'm just so curious about you. You're a late life lesbian. Welcome to the party. That's nothing to be ashamed of. Welcome. Do you have somebody or are you looking? Happily single. Well, if you change your mind, sea of lesbians. I bet you there's more late in life lesbians in this room than just you. If you put out a caw, I bet we'll find them.